Hi, this is Joe with Santa Fe Dehumidifiers. Today we're going to talk about condensate removal on the Santa Fe Advanced Dry110. Typically on dehumidifiers you do need a P-trap to make the water flow from the unit. On the Advanced Dry110 we have installed an internal ball trap that helps the water remove from the dehumidifier a lot easier. Remove the magnetic door and filter from the left side. Use the torque bit to unscrew the ball trap cover. Place the ball in the drain pan, ensuring it's correctly positioned. Replace the cover and secure the screw. Reinstall the filter and magnetic door. Remove the sticker near the drain line to ensure the vent hole is clear. Alright, that's it. Please visit the Santa Fe website or refer to your user manual for more information.